Okay, management reserve sa project management. So, yung management reserve daw is amount contract budget assigned by the project manager o yung MR na tinatawag. So, ibig sabihin nun, in simpler term, ito yung siniset as, ito yung contract price. Pinaka-contract price. No? Pinaka-contract price na inilaan ng isang project manager para sa isang project. So, yun yung presyo nila for the project. Negotiated price. Kasi lahat na nangyayari dyan by contract. So, yun yung importanteng natututunan natin ngayon. Yung MR na yan. And then, yung performance measurement baseline, yun naman yung nagdi-detail. It details yung scope, budget, and schedule. So, yung performance measurement baseline. So, yun. Yun yung buting nalalaman natin yung management reserve at saka performance measurement baseline sa project management. So, yung scope, schedule, and budget, yun yung performance measurement baseline. So, yun lang po.